Hey everyone, check out the DEERFAMY stainless steel tent stove, a foldable and portable stove perfect for camping and outdoor adventures. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this stove is durable, rust-resistant, and offers excellent heat conductivity to keep your tent warm and cozy. It features an adjustable chimney damper valve, air inlets, and a spark inhibitor for precise fire control and safety. The heat-resistant glass window lets you enjoy the flame view while minimizing smoke during use. This compact stove is easy to assemble and disassemble, with a side table that doubles as a handle or shelf. It comes with 9 chimney pipes and all necessary accessories, including a wrench and screws, for a complete setup. Remember to burn it in a well-ventilated area initially to eliminate any paint odor and enjoy your outdoor heating and cooking experience. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.